Welcome to Straight Up Math, a channel where I deliver a math concept as simple as possible. If you'd like to try similar problems seen in the video, I've included a link to practice problems in the description below. When you practice, be sure to check your answers. If you have any questions, don't be afraid to ask them in the comments section. If you like my video, please subscribe to my channel and send me suggestions on other problems you'd like to see. In this video, we're going to factor these binomials, finding the GCF and taking that out. And this is the level 2 video. In the level 1 video, when we factored, it was a little bit more obvious what we had to pull out of these binomials. But in this one, you kind of have to think about it a little bit. So let's get started. For part A, we have 4x minus 6. So the question is, what is a common factor of 4 and 6? Well, the greatest common factor that I have of 4 and 6 is 2. So I'm going to divide that 2 out. So I pull that greatest common factor to the front, and when I divide it out, 4 divided by 2 is 2, and don't forget the x because we didn't do anything with that. And then the minus 6, now I divide that by 2, and it's going to be a minus 3. That's going to be left there. So again, let's do another one, part B. 24x minus 9. And the trickiest part of these problems is just finding this greatest common factor that goes into both these numbers. So 24 and 9, I'm thinking off the top of my head, the greatest common factor there is going to be a 3. 3 goes into 24 8 times, and 3 goes into 9 3 times. So, well, let's do that division again. 24 divided by 3 is 8, and don't forget the x. Then we have minus 9. Now divide that out by 3, and we have minus 3. All right, let's do the last one. 30x minus 48 is equal to. So the greatest common factor between 30 and 48, if I were to think about it, it's going to be 6. All right, so if I divide 30 by 6, that is 5. Don't forget the x. And then we've got minus 48. 48 divided by 6, that's 8. And so, and that's how we factor the greatest common factor. And like I said, the trickiest part is finding that common factor in the front. And once you find that, just divide it out. Visit our website to practice more problems like the ones you saw in the video. And don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share.